Imagine starting at the top of a hill with a small snowball. As it rolls down the hill, it grows larger and larger as it collects more snow. Now imagine that snowball is your football trading bank. That's the power of compounding, and today I'm going to show you how you can use it to accelerate your football trading profits. Compounding is a term widely used in investing circles. It's the process of reinvesting profits so they generate their own profits. The longer you let this cycle continue, the faster your bank grows. Investors use compounding over decades to build wealth, but in football trading we can accelerate the process and see results much faster. The FTSE 100 stock market has returned about 7.75% annually since 1984. That's a decent return, but an experienced football trader can aim for that monthly. In other words, a disciplined football trader can outpace the stock market by 12 times. Let's say you start trading with a £1,000 bank. You split it into 100 points, £10 per point, and make 7.75 points profit per month, which would be the same as the average annual FTSE 100 return. After the first month, your bank grows to £1,077.50. The next month, you stake based on your new bank size and you make another 7.75 points profit. That's £83.50 added to your bank, which is now £1,161. You keep doing this each month, and by the end of the first year, your bank has more than doubled to £2,449. By the end of year 2, it would be up to £5,998, and by year 3, it's up to £14,690. You can see how your bank is snowballing thanks to compounding. If you kept compounding consistently, after 7 years, your £1,000 bank would have grown to over £500,000. Of course, compounding has its limits. At a certain point, your stakes become too large for some markets to handle. For example, trading over £5,000 per point would be unrealistic in many markets beyond match odds or over 2.5 goals. Professional traders tend to diversify their profits into other investments like stocks or property by this stage. The key is to use compounding to build wealth, then secure it in other long-term assets. The other thing to consider is how much of your trading bank should you keep in your Betfair account. If you have a £1,000 trading bank and you're using £10 per point, leaving £100 in Betfair is going to be a comfortable amount for you to trade with. That leaves you with £900 that could be put into savings so that you can collect the interest on it rather than Betfair. Many new football traders fail because they chase the big wins instead of playing the long game. Your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's impatience. One thing to note is you may experience losing months along the way with variance, but it's important not to panic if some months are slower than others. Just stick to the plan and only increase your stakes as your bank grows. If you take the time to research your trades, stake sensibly and stay disciplined, then you can watch your bank grow over time. At Gold Profits, you've got everything you need to make a success of your football trading. If you haven't tried it before, get 20% off with the code YouTube. If you found this useful, click the like button and subscribe for more football trading videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.